Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have been hanging around on this channel for quite some time, you know how much I love Wow Skin Science India for their skincare line. Yes, I do try a lot of skincare products from different random brands, but Wow Skin Science always make its way and make it to my best of skincare. It's been more than 1.5 to 2 years I have been constantly using their skincare product, and yes, as well as the hair care products. In recent times, you have seen a lot of skincare reviews on my channel. During that time, I did pick up 2 more products from Wow Skin Science India. They are the Wow Skin Science India Pure Vitamin C Daily Face Gel as well as a Night Sleeping Gel, out of which one is completely over and the second one is almost here. Now yes, it's not even 3 weeks I could finish off the gel completely because of very basic reasons, and these reasons are very important for every one of us, be it the summers, winters, or if you have a dry skin in general. If you want to have intense hydration while removing your dryness, dullness and patchiness from the skin and working on your anti-aging, then I think you should be investing right in here. These 2 gels have been absolutely working wonderful on my skin, my facial skin, my neck as well as my body. I like to take like a small amount of product on my hands, massage it a bit in between my hands and then just tap it on my skin. Push the product into your face and just leave it. The next morning when you get up after applying the sleeping gel, you just have the most revived and rejuvenated skin. Though on the other side, the daily sleeping gel is wonderful again. First product after my bath, if I have to put something on my skin, it has to be this one. And it's not only my face, I just use this product all over my body. The one thing which I have noticed with this product is that firstly, it instantly gives you that smooth texture on the skin, removes all the dullness and dryness from the skin. And secondly, keeps the skin hydrated for straight up 9 to 10 hours. You do not have to go in with any kind of body butter and body lotion if you end up applying this gel on your body. And if you are applying dedicated on your face, you would not even need a heavy moisturizer as well. It is a quick absorbent product. It doesn't clog your pores. It is very gentle, very light, quickly absorbs and give you more of a clean and for that matter smooth texture on the skin. It can also be used underneath your makeup, which I have been doing lately, and that is why you see a lot of glow happening on my skin. Even if I try to mattify my skin with a pure matte powder, still I could see the glow happening because I have been using this underneath my skin all the time. Yes, these are the 2 products which are absolutely wonderfully done for dry to very dry skin people. But the product and the brand says that it can be used by everyone. I'm a combination to oily. I'm absolutely loving them. The daily, the day one as well as the night one. For some instance, I would say that even if you are a person who doesn't like putting a lot of skincare product and you do not want to put heavy moisturizers, night cream, and for that matter any serum, you can just go in with these gels and you are sorted. Because aloe vera being one of the core ingredient in the product, it will always keep your skin hydrated. The vitamin C which you're getting in here is derived from lemon and orange essential oils, and yes, this vitamin C is going to work on your patchy skin and give you more of a corrected skin. So all in all, you're getting a wonderful aloe vera gel with some added benefits of being vitamin C in right here. As I always mention this in all of my Wow reviews is that if you have any second thoughts about the originality of the product, just scan the QR code and you will know it all. All of the Wow products are available on Wow app as well as Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, but if you are not an online shopper and you just want to go to your nearest store and grab one, then just check out your local store, nearest store, and you may end up getting your favorite Wow products. And for my online shoppers, I will be linking down everything in my description if you want to grab anything for yourself. But yes, I absolutely recommend these gels for your skincare routine. They're very simple, very easy to use, and yes, something which everybody would love it on their skin. It is an all skin type product made in India and natural. I will be here soon with some more reviews, some more skincare. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @bronzingi. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.